Hi everyone! Papunta po tayo ngayon dito sa Rose Point Subdivision located at Barangay Tagapo, Santa Rosa, Laguna. And very accessible po ito ha. 3 minutes lang po papuntang Sports Complex at 3 to 5 minutes din papuntang Santa Rosa Bayan. 3 to 5 minutes away going to SM Santa Rosa. 10 minutes away from Mamplasan Exit. 3 minutes away to National Road. Marami pa po talagang malalapit na mga malls katulad ng Target Mall, Victory Mall, mga schools, church, hospitals, markets, grocery stores, and other commercial establishments. Napakadami niya po talagang nakapalibot kaya hindi ka na mahihirapan pa. And by the way, ito pong ino-offer namin is single attached unit and complete turnover na po with 2 bedroom and 2 bath. At syempre, meron po itong living and kitchen room, balcony and carport. And the house specifications, lot area minimum of 80 square meter. O diba, malaki na rin. And syempre, yung floor area is 102.42 square meter. Naka-ceramic tiles na po sa first floor. Sa second floor naman po ay vinyl tiles, panel door, dun po yan sa main door. May ceiling na po. Yung balcony po natin, glass with stainless frame door, aluminum powder coated windows, and fully painted. At ang ating amenities, well-planned community, multi-purpose clubhouse, jogging path, basketball court, playground, guard house with 24-hour security, solar power street lamps, paved sidewalks, and concrete. For more details and inquiries, please don't hesitate to contact me dito sa Facebook account ko. And syempre, pwede po kayong tumawag sa 0947-993-6090. At pahabol, meron na lang po tayong 29 units left dun sa RFO, yung ready for occupancy. At meron din po tayong pre-selling. Yun lamang po for today's video. Maraming salamat po sa panunood at pakikinig. Abangan nyo po yung next project na i-upload ko. Goodbye!